In this video today, I'm going to show you the best 3 video editing programs if you're just starting out. Starting out with easy video editing programs in the beginning is beneficial for several reasons, especially for beginners who are new to the video editing. Here are some advantages. Learning curve. A complex video editing software can be overwhelming for beginners. Starting with an easier program allows users to gradually learn the fundamental concepts of video editing without feeling intimidated. Here's the best part about these video editing programs: they are absolutely free, for the most part. That means you can start without laying out any cash. Now, down below, I have added a link in the description of all 3 editing programs. So now let's get started. First up is Canva.
Canva is a graphic design platform that you can use for video editing, but it also allows you users to create a wide range of visual contents, including graphics, presentation, posters, social media, graphics, flyers, and also lets you create video and edit them for free. There is a pro version that does cost, but that is strictly optional. You do not have to purchase it if you do not want to. Also, it will help you with YouTube thumbnails. It also does logos and presentations. If you're into social media, it helps you with Instagram posts and Facebook posts. And it also will help you create a YouTube channel logo. It is for the beginners, it is definitely so once you click on played with video, you'll come to a page that looks like this. And then these are just kind of shows you a little how once you're inside. You got design, element, brand, and then you can upload. So you can either upload videos, files, which these are some of the files that I've uploaded and done. These are just some of the videos that have been uploaded. Um, or you can do recording. So if you do a recording, you can go to record your file. If you notice, you record while you're actually showing. You can see me there in a little square. If not, you go up to here where it says camera and screen, where you can do both. And then you would click onto one of these screens. Let's just say I got home Google. You want to share that with somebody, then you can actually do that and stuff. Um, and then once you're in there, if you don't want to show your face and you just want to do record the screen, then you just hit screen, and then it would just record the screen, and then you would hit record at that point. So number 2 on our list is Clipchamp, and Clipchamp is actually owned by Microsoft, and this is what I use to make this video and also many of my other videos. In terms of usability for beginners, Clipchamp is known for its user-friendly interface and also is designed to be accessible for users with various levels of video editing experience. So once you get to Clipchamp page, this is where you will come into. You got 2 options here. Or you can actually you got templates down here that you can actually use. But if you want to go to making a video, you can create a new video, start from scratch, or you can create a video with AI. So now, after you click onto a new video, you'll come to a screen like this. Now, this is a video that I actually made and edit in here. So this normally none of this will be here, none of this on the timelines will be here, and neither that would be here. But just kind of, I just wanted to show you real quick what Clipchamp can do for you. So if you don't have your video yet, you same thing. You can actually create screen and camera, or you can just do camera. So you can record yourself, and then it drops it in here, and you can actually edit it um, if you needed to do that. If you just want to record a screen, some kind of a screen like I showed you before in Canva, you can do that here. You have audio, and then you can actually add text to audio that which does it to the bottom of the screen. So you got a really a lot of great options here in Clipchamp that I really, really like. And then you come down here, you got content of library, actually where you can add things in. If you move to the timeline here, you're going to see this pop in real quick. People out there that would like to start a YouTube channel, but just don't want to show their face. And I understand that. And that comes from a lot of this content and stuff like that. It goes all the way down, and you can pop that in. You got templates for Instagram, YouTube, gaming, corporations, slideshows, whatever you need there. You can actually add text where it pops in and pops out in different lines. Transitions where you transition from one to the other. Like right here's got a good transition. Let me see if I can move this over here. I'll click and you'll see it go from one to another.
A year. And there are
And then
literally
see,
hundreds.
it just transitions right into it and stuff. If you notice, this is done by a green screen. That's what this is. And then that allows me to add different backgrounds if I want to. Let's go right here. So you can see this background right here. And then as we move down the video, I have a different background that I'm in. And that allows you to do it screen, and that comes from effects from over here. And if you notice, I'll move this and you'll see this get wider. So that's your green screen stuff. And you have all different types of effects over here and stuff that you can use. And this is just a small touch base of what I can, what that Clipchamp can do for you. I really recommend this for beginners. And number 3 on our list is CapCut. And so CapCut is another good one for beginners. So when you first get in, you go to CapCut. You'll have to sign in. I think you can do it for you'll make an account, and when you do, you'll come to this page here. You've got a lot of different options: clips to videos, scripts to videos. Start with templates. They got tons of templates down here. If you're doing YouTube, you can it shows you all that, and then basically it's just changing everything out. Editor picks. You got business picks. You got New Year's. You got slideshows if you want to do that, sports and fitness. So you got a lot of different options here and stuff like that. But just kind of showing you for a few seconds of what they can do for you. This is not like a big tutorial or anything like that. It's just what we're recommending. It's a number 3 on our list, and it's a great beginner's tool. So basically, what you're going to do is you're going to click on to new video. Is very similar as far as the layout and stuff. I believe CapCut does have a lot more features and maybe a handful of better tools than Clipchamp, but I like them both. But today, this is not a tutorial. This is basically it's top 3 on our list as far as best editing tools for videos, making videos. So I'm going to show you a few features and stuff, but definitely it's not like a real big tutorial and stuff. So once you get to this page, this is kind of where you can upload, whether you want to upload pictures or short videos that you got to edit or something like that, or videos and pictures that you're going to be editing together. It gives you a couple different options. This is from your computer device or whatever device you're trying to get in. So same thing. It has the recording device. You can do it with a camera that you've got hooked up. You'll see me here in a minute. There I am with my behind me and stuff. And then same thing. You got the same options as some of the other ones. Record tabs, record. If you want to record an audio, the good thing about recording right into this, it drops it right into it and stuff. So I'm just going to show you a few features that kind of gives you an idea. They got, like I said, they have tons of template. Pretty easy. It's a pretty same thing. Just drag and drop, and then it comes up. So you can do that. We'll delete that out of there. Boom. Next one, you got elements. You can do elements are really cool. They definitely, if you want to drop pictures in, you can do that. They actually have a AI character feature that'll come up here in just a few seconds. And then you can see her. You click onto her.
Hey, good to see you.
So you got availabilities to do AIs and put voices to them if you want that. You also have other elements down here. Bring that. So you got other elements. I mean, like if you want to put a subscribe button, you can do that. And you just boom, drop it. And make it a little smaller if you want and drop that in. You can do little graphic things if you want. So I'm going to show you a minute. Let me get this graphic thing. Boom. Okay, boom. And same thing, you can drop it. We'll put that over there, and you'll see how all this works together. Hit that. Hit it again.
Hey, good to see you.
So it just kind of gives you a couple different features. You can do audio over here. You got text. You can add text if you want to, add heading. We can drop this. I say we'll just make it real good. Just write the the girl. And we'll bring that down here real quick. Drop that out. We got to drop that over here. And then we'll just hit play again.
Hey, good to see you.
So you can see how everything just kind of blends in and stuff. So you got captions and transcript and effects. And again, this is number 3 on our list.
And there you have it. The 3 most popular video editing tools for beginners. And if you like this video was helpful, please like and subscribe.